Running a multi-six-figure business used to mean hiring massive team. You needed an operations manager, sales representative, copywriter, customer support lead, and couple of junior dev developers. Not anymore. Right now we are living through the golden era of solopreneur. Because of agentic workflows, matrix of business success is no longer headcount. It is a leverage per human. One person armed with a highly targeted AI stack can deliver same output as a 10% traditional agency with a zero payroll risk and 95% profit margin. But if you search how to start AI agency on YouTube, you get flooded with the same lazy advice. Just build basic FAQ chatbot using WordPress, charge local gym $2,000 a month for it, and get rich. Let us be honest, it doesn't work. Businesses don't pay thousands of dollars for floating chat bubble that spit out text. They pay for measurable business outcomes, saving hours of human labor, automating fulfillment pipeline, or capturing missed revenue. In this video, I am giving you exact blueprint to launch one-man AI agency from scratch. No coding background required, no massive startup capital needed. We are covering target offer that scale, modern agentic software stack, an exact outbound strategy for to land your first high-ticket retainer. First, we have to talk about 90% of beginner AI agencies fail. They try to be generalist. They approach local businesses saying how I can build custom AI solutions for you. What business owners here is, I don't actually know what your problems are, so I want you to pay to figure them out. If you want to close premium clients, you need a highly specific micro niche offer. You are looking for industries with the legacy operations, high transaction volumes, repetitive manual processes, critical rules, avoid healthcare and highly regulated finance when you are starting out. Compliance hurdle, data privacy liabilities, milking the solo operation before you even ship a line of code. Instead, look at boring, highly profitable verticals, real estate brokerages, B2B wholesale and manufacturing, boutique law firms, e-commerce brands doing mid-six figures, trade offers do not sell, scalable high-value offer sell this. First trade offer is generate support chatbot for your website. Sec- First scalable high-value offer AI lead triage engine that handles 100% of incoming vendor emails and books qualified calls. The second trade offer AI content generation for your blog. The second scalable high-value offer an automated fulfillment auditor that scans warehouse manifest against invoices to find the billing errors. Let us look at a concrete example. When an AI lead drives an intake agent for a law firm. When a personal injury law firm gets 100 website inquiries a day, human assistant has to read every single one, verify if it fits firm's legal criteria, request missing police reports via email, and schedule the consultation. That is a massive operational bottleneck. If you build an agentic workflow that extracts the lead details using LLM, automatically cross-references it with the intake criteria, draft a personalized follow-up for missing data, and drop the booking client. You don't need just to build a chatbot to replace a $45,000 year manual administrative process. This is an offer you can easily price at $3,000 setup fee and $1,500 monthly maintenance retainer. Act 3 2026 developer stack, zero code to low code. Now, you do actually now do you actually build these systems without team of software engineers? The technical barrier to entry has completely evaporated. In 2026, a distinction between programmer and non-programmer doesn't matter anymore. You just need to master low-code orchestration and AI-native development environment. Here is your essential one-man agency tech stack orchestration layer, the brain, in 8N or Mac.com. Move away from basic Zapier setup for more true agentic systems that require loops, advanced conditional logic, and state management. N8N is a king. It allows you to build the complex multi-agent flows natively on a visual canvas. Development layer. The cursor IDE or Claude code. If your client needs a custom dashboard or specific API integration that low-code tools can't quite handle, you don't need a hire developer to use a cursor. You can instantly promote your way through entire full-stack application development pipeline simply by pointing AI to your code base. Tool integration layer. Composio. This allows your AI agent to seamlessly connect with over 200 external business tools like Salesforce, GitHub, Slack, or HubSpot, giving the models hands they need to execute the real task. Now let us look at the mechanical autonomy of automated research agent. If you look at this workflow right there, it doesn't just run a linear script, a trigger event. N8N webhook. Incoming lead or email lands in client system, for example, HubSpot CRM. The context retrieval. The vector database Pinecone. Agent queries internal company documentation to find the exact roles or historical data needed to evaluate this event. Analytical evaluation. LLM calls. Anthropic Claude 3.5 Sonnet. The model processes input, categorize action required, determine if it needs to call external tools. The tool execution and self-correction loop. Composio API integration. The agent interacts with the client software. If API returns an error, agent analyzes state trace, adjusts its parameters, and executes the call again without crashing the system. When you sell this, you aren't selling the software, you are selling autonomous infrastructure. Act 4. Landing clients. The value first framework you have niche. You know tech stack. Now, how do you actually get a busy business owner open your email, reply to your LinkedIn message, and take a meeting? You don't need, you don't send them a generic sales page. You use the loop audit framework. Because you are one-man agency, you cannot afford to waste hours on cold calling people who don't care. Instead, pick 5 highly qualified target clients in your chosen niche every single day. Go to their website, analyze their clear operational friction points, record 3 minute zero full loop video. A 3 minute audit framework. Hey, followed by the name. I noticed that your inbound client form doesn't automatically cross-reference your current calendar openings, which means your sales team is closing up 24 hours just playing email tag to book the call. The mechanism 45 seconds, 2 minutes. Shows a visual map of quick workflow you build for the similar problems. Here is a map of autonomous agent systems I built and instantly validate the client data, checks the availability and triggers text message sequence automatically. The frictionless CTA, 2 minutes to 3 minutes. I actually built a basic prototype of this specific workflow tailored to your intake guidelines. If you want to see how it works under the hood, let me know and I will send over Private demo link. If not, no worries at all. Notice that you don't need ask them to jump on quick 15-minute discovery call. You don't need pitch expensive retainer. You offer them the free customized value. When business owner sees that you are already mapped out their exact bottleneck and build a functional prototype to fix it, your reply rate skyrocket from standard 1% cold email rate to an easy 10, 15 to 20%. Act for you. Delivery retainers scaling up. Speaker. Once you close your proposed client, start them on a paid pilot. Charge a $2,500 implementation fee to build and deploy their first primary agentic workflow over 14 days workflow. Once that pilot is live and saving them hours in a day, transition them into system maintenance retainer of $1,000, $1,500 month. This covers prompt monitoring, model optimization, API stability, and minor system interaction iteration. The three clients of $1,500 monthly retainer put you 4,500 month in a pure recurring software margin, not counting your upfront setup fees. 5 to 7 clients, and you are running highly efficient $10,000 month business completely by yourself. The old world of business prioritize scale through the employee headcount. The new world belong to agile, elite operator who leverage autonomous systems. Pick your niche, master the low-code stack, build the value first, go launch your agency. If you want step-by-step breakdown of how I build agentic loop inside N10, drop the comment below and sketch out this next video right here. See you there. There is a precise word for words prospect. Now let us discuss the Loom audit script. Prospect. Elite injury lawyers. Example name. Target managing partner or operational director. Visual setup. The webcam in a small bubble in the corner with their website contact intake form taking up their main screen. Phase 1 Hook and identification friction. Keep your agency professional, calm, and consultative, not like a hype salesperson. Hey Richard, it's Atul here. I was looking over the main case intake page for elite injury lawyers, and I noticed something interesting about how your firm processes inbound accident leads. Right now, when potential client fills out this 7-step evaluation form on your site, their data is dropped into email box on static CRM queue. From there, human intake specialist has to manually read the submission, determine if it meets your case criteria, like checking the status of limitations or insurance clarity, and then manually follow up via email or phone to chase down the missing details, like the police report. The friction here is time. In personal injury, if qualified lead doesn't get a definitive response or immediate booking in the 5 to 10 minutes, they move right down Google search result and call your competitor. Your intake team is likely losing hours every day just playing email tag. Phase 2 Infrastructure Visual Action. Smoothly switch your screen share tab from their website to visual workflow canvas like N10 or clean diagram showing AI agent loop. To show you what I mean, I actually map out how modern phones are completely removing this bottleneck using autonomous agentic workflow. If you look at my screen right there here, This is just a basic autoresponder. This is a live prototype AI-led drives engine I built out. Here is exactly how it works under code. The second lead is hit your website form. This webhook triggers instead of waiting for the human. Advanced LLM instantly analyzes text. It extracts accident date, the severity of the injury, and liability details. It instantly checks that data against your firm's specific case acceptance parameters. If the lead is a qualified lead, then AI autonomously references your attorney live calendar and sends a personalized text message to lead saying, "We reviewed your submission. We can help. Click here to pick immediate consultation slot and drop them straight into your booking page." If critical data is missing, AI automatically drafts the precise, context-aware follow-up email asking them to upload their accident photos or police report, a secure link before all even happens. Page 3. Actionless CTA. Action. So you can screen back to the website, a simple clean document showing your agency's logo and contact info. By automating this initial trigger layer, your intake staff doesn't spend their day chasing unqualified leads or typing out repetitive follow-up emails. They only spend their time talking to the high-value, fully verified clients who are already booked on your calendar. It essentially turns a 4-hour manual process into 30-second automated execution loops. Oh, Richard, I know you are incredibly busy running the practice. I don't want to pitch long discovery call or sell you high-ticket software package right now. I'm already built out logic framework for this prototype tailored specifically to personal injury intake parameters. If you are open to seeing the quick 2-minute backend demo of how AI reads and categorize a live case exam sample, please reply to the email and let them know. I will shoot the private demo link right now. If not, no worries at all. I hope this breakdown gave your operation team some helpful insight and optimization. I appreciate your time and have a great week. Technical recording tips for the script. No click-through. Do not mention booking, meeting, or Zoom link. Keep call to action completely frictionless. Just reply and let me know. I will send the link over. It lowers the defensive walls significantly. Pacing. Speak at a steady and deliberate pace. If you mess up the word, don't stop. Restart, just correct yourself naturally. It makes the video feel authentic, raw, and personalized, rather than polishing mass marketing essay. When emailing or messaging this long link, use low friction subject line like a quick workflow note for elite injury lawyers.